Hey friends, welcome back to this exciting video in which I will show you everything that you need to know about automated crypto system. We're going to test it, we're going to let you know how it goes, tell you everything else, and in the next video we're going to take some trades. We have made deposit, I will show you everything. So let's get started. So now in my last video I talked about automated trading system, and I said the system is not really good, and I will stick to that truth and fact and my opinion. To be honest, it looks like just as any other system that we've tried. It's not very impressive. It doesn't look very complex, but it is simple. So if you're looking for a simple system, this is it. Unfortunately, I would say that it doesn't have a lot of forex pairs. It has some crypto pairs, but this is what the system is about. It's about cryptos, and I notice the signals which I see, they are actually like Ethereum and Neo and Dash, and this is Stellar. This is Ethereum Classic, so don't get confused between the Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. And these are the signals. You can see the directions in them. Now I have activated the software. I did deposit with the 24 option. They are still working on their website and their project. There have been so many issues with people not being able to register, people register but not being able to use it. There's many issues, and then that questions me whether the signals work or not. We will try to take some trades in the next video, so do subscribe if you want to see updates with the trading videos with this. If you are considering to sign up with automated crypto system, use the link down below. It will give you free registration, and we will give you support if you need it with any help. Now I have used the account. So this is the first page. Strangely enough, it has English and Spanish. I don't know why. Okay, so I mean they could have added few more languages. Okay, but there are two languages. I did try to change it. It didn't really change the language, so I'm not sure why that's also not working. Now when I tried, I'm not gonna press these trade buttons yet because that's in my next video, but I just want to show you how the system looks like. At the top you see signals, and you see, so let's just go through the first signal. So this is Ethereum and USD. It's pointing downwards. That means you're going to do a sell trade with 83% success. I don't know how they came up with that. This is the Ethereum, the icon, what it looks like, and then we've got entry price here. Now this entry price is there, but most importantly, what is important is the time. So this is 11th of December, that's today's date, and in my clock I have 12:42. So that means this is 12:32. So this is 10 minutes old signal, and that means you want to take the trade which is closest to your time. So if I look at, for example, this is 11 December, 11 December, 11 December. If I scroll through over here, I should see 1 day old signal. So this came out yesterday at 16:54. For those of you who don't know the international time system, this is 4, is it 4? Yeah, 4:54 p.m. In the afternoon, 4:54 p.m. So this, you don't want to take this because this is too old to take, because the prices have already been moved and this signal is no longer valid. So this is, you have to watch out for such things. You only want to take the trade closest to your time. So that means if my time is 12:43 now and it's 32, so this is the last trade which I can take, this one or this one closest. So that means It's not an old expired signal which is no longer any use to us. So for example, so now we've got entry price. I think the entry price is given so you can see on your chart that where exactly you'll be taking the entry price. But again, this was 10 minutes ago, and now the entry price could be up or down, we don't know. So but this is just a helpful thing for you. If you are on the system live and you're refreshing the page over and over again, I'm not sure if it puts in new signal automatically, or you have to refresh the page. I don't know about that, but I would say, like a lot of the systems, you have to refresh the page and then a new signal will come when you have to search through. So it is a little bit problematic. You have to scroll through, and I tried scrolling all the way. I kept scrolling and I come back to the same very first signal. So I think it was not this one though. It was which one? It was this one maybe. The first signal, that's 1050. Anyway, I tried scrolling through, and I think it just goes in circles, and that's also the bit I don't like about it, because what if you want to see the latest signals and you can just go left and you can stop there and you know that it is the latest signal, but here you don't know because it's all mixed up. You have to look through it. So it is a bit difficult, but as with this system, I'm not a big fan of it. I have deposited, and if you want to get started with this, you can too. How it goes, we hope for the best, because you don't have to do a lot of work in it. It tells you what trades to take, and it's easy. There's no analyzing the news or charts, none of that. So this is just one touch system where you just trade and you don't have to think much. I'm not a big fan of trading systems, but we have to try them out and we have to test them and we have to show you guys and girls. So at the top, this is the signal. Now here we've got the entry price. The next is the take profit amount. This is where so if you have any broker, it will give you two settings. One is the take profit level, and the next one is SL, which is stop loss. This is where you want to close the trade if it's going in the wrong direction. So for example, a quick recap of how the signal system works. Here it says take the Bitcoin Cash to USD. So it says that you have to buy this pair. So you would say buy. Now I also found it very strange that in 24 options the sell is first and the buy is second. So just watch out for that. Usually buy is first, or buy is at the top and the sell is at the bottom. So watch out for that, you don't put in the wrong direction. So when it says up, that means you're gonna do your buy. You can match the color green with green and the pink with red. I think their colors are a bit out also. This is not even green. That's green over there. I don't know what color that is. Fluorescent blue. Okay, so then you set your settings in here, and then let's say the price is 101 at the moment, and when it goes up to 104, it's gonna close, and you will get the profit of 3.84, and then less the cost of margin, etc. But if the price goes down and it will sell at 96, you have a loss of 4 and 5, so 5 points. Okay, so this is how the signals you're gonna trade them. Down below we have a screen. This is a broker screen where you can see where you can actually take manual trades or you can take other trades. Now, since Automated Crypto System is only about crypto, it doesn't have the usual currency pairs. You would have to select here, go down to filter, go to cryptocurrencies, and here you can see the cryptocurrency pairs here only. If you were to select a forex and take out the crypto, the currency pairs here, they do not show the signals that are here, because cryptocurrency system only have the crypto pairs. So this is like a Bitcoin Cash, Neo, Ethereum, Code, I don't remember what XRP is. Let's check. XRP is actually Ripple. This is their Ripple, which is the the ripple in the ocean or the water. Then we have XLM, which is Stellar, shown by the rocket. So there's so many cryptocurrencies, and they're pretty much useless. So I do not trade in crypto anymore. I don't recommend it. And the crypto miners, the farmers, they're going out of business throughout the world. It's costing them over $3,000 in currency, in electric cost to create one Bitcoin. So again, to mine one Bitcoin, it's costing them more than $3,000. So that means whatever the rate is at the moment, if the rate is say $5,000 for one Bitcoin, let's just check the Bitcoin rate right now. So here's the price of Bitcoin. Is going down, 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 down. It's not looking good. So what I can tell you, I mean, if you're using the automated crypto system, the easiest way would be to always when you look at Bitcoin, especially the Bitcoin. So let's go to Bitcoin here. Okay, I don't know where Bitcoin is. There's Bitcoin. So here it says the Bitcoin make a buy sale. I would disagree with that. I would say do a sell trade on that, because when we look at the trend is telling us the Bitcoin is going down. However, in the short term, it does go up a little while for some period of time, and in that instance you can make money. But however, it's safer to make a sell trade, because and have a higher stop loss. So that means even if it rises, it's gonna come back down and you're gonna end up making profit. So there's a tip for you guys. So what I was saying about Bitcoin is that the price of Bitcoin is just over $3,000, and the cost to mine one Bitcoin is over $3,000 in electricity costs, which I got this information on another YouTube channel. The guy he's talking about that a lot of the companies are closing the Bitcoin miners. So how are they going to pay for their expenses if only the electric cost is $3,000? It makes no sense. So I'm really against this Bitcoin stuff. But you can use this system to get signals and hopefully make some profits. So we've talked about the top part. We're going down. The bottom part is, this is your broker where you deposit the money after you've registered. Do not register directly. You will not be getting access to automated system. Go through the link, register with automated, and that will automatically register with your broker. I think they are adding more brokers, but I will just show you that screen. So bottom here is just your screen. So this is all usual broker stuff here, and if I scroll up, the next one is trades right here, and I have this open. So as you can see, it's blank at the moment. I haven't done any trading. The next is the charts. Let's look what's in there. So this is just a plain trading view chart, nothing too exciting there. You can get this chart for free on easytradingschool.com. I'll just show you it now. So we are at the website. I'm gonna go to charts, and the first chart is the free live chart. So this chart is exactly the same which is in the system. That one is just black color. I will just move this here. Okay, so this is just black, but it's the same. And actually this one has more functions and more information here. Okay, so here we have the chart. You can always change it to Euro, USD, like so. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can change the size of the tick. And now we have seen the chart. So this is the chart. You can also open indicators here. The same stuff you can do here on the easytradingschool.com. Oh, this is white. Okay, so let's come back to we're gonna skip this one. We've done that. Let's look at the account section. Let's see. So this is the account section, and here they have two brokers. One is 24 options, and the other one is brokers. But when I clicked on it, it was not working. I'm gonna click that again, and it doesn't work. So I'll just open a new window on this, and it just says it doesn't work. Okay, so that's how the system is. I'm showing you how it is. Next up is economic calendar, and not too excited about that either, because this is economic calendar, which is also available for free on the easytradingschool.com. I will just show you there. Economic calendar chart right here. Now this is a different one. We have two calendars actually, economic calendars. This is the one which is shown over here, so you can see this is exactly the same one. So that's free, available if you want to get that from there. Lastly is the log out button, and we're done with this. Maybe I'll just show you the broker account. So this is broker account, no trades taken yet, all brand new, but you know, I have account with them already, so I just used someone else's name to use the account, and then if I need to withdraw, then that person can withdraw it for me. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Especially I'll be trading with this system using the signals. Not the best system in the world, to be honest, but the link is down below the video. You can register to it if you like. I also have a course in which you can learn how to trade from the basics. There are 5 levels. There's a sale on for 50% off. We give you free priority email support, and you learn a lot of things. It's a video based course with including PDF notes. If you want to look at that, you can watch it over and over again, and then if you don't understand, you send us email and we can try to give you some more help. So we have a great course for you guys. Do sign up to that. We also are coming up with our own trading signal, in which when I trade based on the news and the charts, I will post that on the easytradingschool.com, and there you get 3 signals for free. Yes, for free, 3 signals for free, just to be a member of that website, easytradingschool.com. And after that, if you want more signals, you would subscribe, and then you get more signals. So that's available now. The course is available now, and thanks for watching, and see you.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support, and thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.